Itis, as you know, means inflammation. These are people, mostly women, about 2/3, between 30 and 50, quite common, where it's focused. And they have trigger points. They have sensitive sites where it's very painful to just touch them. They're very predictable where the sites are in the neck and different parts. The itis was called, but then they went and looked, and there's no signs of any inflammation. There was clearly not. So they dropped the term, they called it fibromyalgia, sort of an algia meaning pain. So it's this diffuse, non-specific pain with trigger points. Nothing works to treat. It's horrible. It's debilitating. The only thing that is really, that, if you will, read the pain literature, that actually works at all is antidepressants, all right, at doses that are antidepressant, and exercise, physical therapy. It's the only thing that has been shown to effectively work. Now, I'll be honest, half the community thinks that these patients have psychiatric problems. The other half doesn't. And this pendulum is starting to swing towards the notion that it is a brain disorder. There's imaging studies that are showing this, that in fact these individuals are processing stimuli inappropriately, that they don't transmit information to the brain, that the brain imaging studies are quite different. There's some studies suggesting that there's dopaminergic changes. Some people think it's a neuropathic type pain condition. All I can say is that it is a hot topic. It's a critical one. There's lots of patients. But the pendulum is swinging, and there's more money being put into trying to study what's going on rather than the knee-jerk assumption, which was the case, that, oh, these are people who are just totally screwed up, and I don't want to see them. They're very difficult people to work with because nothing works. Things don't work. But that doesn't mean that, therefore, their pain is some imaginary thing. For any individual, something might work, but there's nothing as a general rule that you can say would be effective.